As a DairyComp user, you can expect to get yearly notifications, like the one shown here, when opening your DairyComp program, stating the date your program expires on, as well as instructions on how to update your license. You may also notice that you have an alert in your DairyComp program, and by double-clicking on it, you can see a similar message reminding you of the program expiry date. Once you see these notifications, simply run a web update to update your DairyComp license. To do this, go to Help off your menu and click on Check for Updates. In the Software Updates window, follow the prompts to complete the web update. It is possible that you may not see these notifications if you do not routinely close your DairyComp program. So you can simply run a web update and check the expiry date in the About screen to verify that your expiry date has been set to next year. If you require more help with getting your DairyComp program updated, please call our toll-free number to speak with one of our DairyComp support team members today.